Three significant changes are anticipated for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, which should set these foldable smartphones apart from the competition. Let's take a look. We've been given indications about what Samsung would announce by several leaks and speculations, but the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will be unveiled this week on July 10, 2024. While some online believe that the specifications of the new foldables are a degradation, tipster Evan Blast has revealed all the key features and stats. Here are 3 overlooked improvements that Samsung may have added to the new model's IP48 water and dust resistance rating. Evan Blast's leaked specifications indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are anticipated to get an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance. While many other foldable smartphones, like as the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro and Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, only have an IPX8 rating, meaning they don't have official dust protection, some users online are dissatisfied by this update, which is really a significant increase over last year's rating. Official dust protection is being added to a foldable smartphone for the first time. Additionally, it outperforms the IPX4 rating of the OnePlus Open. Before, there were rumors that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have an IPS LCD cover display, which upset a lot of fans. However, the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will utilize MOLED displays instead of IPS. Sam Mobile, however, has clarified that this was an error and that the 2 new foldables would likely feature the older displays. Additionally, with the release of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, Samsung may announce a display with 2600 nits of peak brightness, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, and increased RAM storage. Also using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU are the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. This year, Samsung is anticipated to boost RAM to 8 and 12 GB, however, the internal storage choices are yet to be confirmed. Are you looking forward to the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6? The smartphones will probably run Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.11. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.